Kakong Ampareen Lingdo, Menteri Sorkar Khubor badai pet Iaka tenat kakwat kakia mentah kasngi sau tarik nailur kalalit ban Plie ba Iaka jaka penkha Khillong bapaka hapo ka Patharkhmah Community Health Center kebadan hapo ka Shillong Patharkhmah bad hak ju Khubor kala kenduru iki nong trei jangkani ka CHC bad ai men CMiki bak kindang la aban ai Iaka Jingsngewrit ke bapaka yaki ba jangkani ka than Nalor Plie Iaka te ka jaka penkha Khillong ha Patharkhmah CHC hakate ka sngi kakong Ampareen Lingdo kala Plie baru Iaka machine kaban kershan boarding ha Patharkhmah CHC knang ba kinong lecha sumar hakate ka jaka sumar kinum sha penthut hakapor balip laj Iaka te ka machine kaban kershan boarding ha Patharkhmah CHC la ai lengba da ka DC connect na ka office u deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district Hakani kasngi na lor kakong Ampareen Lingdo la sakhilang da kajingdan lang uba sostinus sotun MLA jirang u Abhilash Baranwal DC Ribhoi ka Dr. K Lingdo medical officer ka Patharkhmah CHC lambat kiwe
Honorable Minister kong Dr. Ampareen Lingdo iba don ya kata ka jingi jingai bat ka jing berkhat na kabanta ki konsensi ka jungi kerpang ngidai ke konsensi ke ba sakendong but idon ke jingi ilawan ban visit nak mau sisen lawan ban visit hagene ka CHC but ilaong ba hadian ngan sawan biang te menta ilawan ban lawan sendon nak banca ban penbana la ne ban ai ka lat kalenti ka banang penbit penbiang susu namar ba menta ka Patharkhmah CHC ilatip kum ka laban upgrade kum ka first referral unit kaba onang la susu ban penmentoy na ka menca ki nongpang la le ban la ban kene ki jingerap ka khamha hakaba laban ong ba kan sadon ka yi ki kindon kum ka ki operation la ban shapu kimdon kam su ban lek sha ban angde hi haka CHC haka first referral unit ani Patharkhmah ki nongpang kin sa lani ki besha sumar kin sayo e ki jingmentoy the congratulations and thank you so much ma'am for your efforts and for your help for the people of our constituency the penpauru e ki jingkuplay Dr. Trestom ringkat bat ki staff baro bangi kermen skemba hakani kesngi lingba kumba i doktor la da pensngo lingba ka DC connect e DC lalaban and from the doctor and the CC the staff they have given to our deputy commissioner about the what they are needing and then now on this day itself we'll be inaugurating the one machine and then the lever table so it's a great day for all of us and as well as now we just came from
including the generator because we do have a lot of issues regarding using the machines and all so within one month time span we could get everything sir. So thank you to the district administration thank you, sir. So without further ado
waste management is in order? Very good. Very good. Somebody's feedback for the child is giving them but madam has to come so much. Okay, okay. Did you take videos of the new babies?
Yes.
Yeah. Come, doctor. Sir, come. And no, this is your baby. We will support you. All the best, Tom. All the best. Kublai. Oh, ini Shillong. All happy. She's in fact like something.
use the stabilizer because
all
of
the
that
best.
thing.
We come
It's
in
very congested
We are not able to take the load because of that. And you should go along and you know,
24 hours.
Yeah.
We had to in the morning.
I'm
So, but you have transit home, no?
Just only 2 can accommodate.
So now,
It's quite far also for the patients.
so So they have the safe transit home?
But do we have to remove shoes?
Slowly upgrade the CHCs like that.
It is quite small.
Where is the labor room?
Ma'am, this will be the labor room.
Okay.
Like the new
Ah,
one is
okay.
still under construction.
Okay.
And that side will be one
All
of the
right.
heavy labor rooms that
Okay. Okay. So this will be the permanent, better facility. All right. Are you also upgrading your beds? You have 30 here now. So FRU, sir, we also need to attend to increase of bed at least by 15 to 30.
From 30
Yes.
to 20.